How to change location on Snapchat maps. So you won't be able to do this directly through the Snapchat app itself. So you do need to download another app, and go ahead and download Fake GPS through your Play Store. So once you download that, go over to your phone settings and then click on additional settings and go to developer options. So you need to select mock location and just select the app that you have downloaded. So select Fake GPS and turn that on. And once you do that, you can go ahead and open Fake GPS. So go ahead and select your new location wherever you want. And go ahead and just zoom down and then select it. And once you have selected it, you can go out of this and then open your Snapchat. So go to your locations, and then you do need to refresh it a couple of times. And if that doesn't work, go ahead and close Snapchat and then restart it again and then refresh it a couple times, and then you should be able to change locations on Snapchat maps.